Hey guys, so this is my real fast video onto how to upload your problems. If you just do them on paper, you can just take a picture of that paper and post it on here. So let me show you. So I did the first setup of this problem. Camera. So look, oh, FYI, there's a camera app, and I just take a photo. There you go, there's the setup. And then, all right, look, there's my kitchen table. And it goes straight to camera roll. So how do you load them? You click on this thing right here. See, hopefully right there. And you can upload your image, browse my files. And then over here, this PC, that's at least where mine is. Hopefully yours are curiously similar. There's a pictures, I think. I think it goes to pictures. Camera roll. So, go. Come on, computer. Oh, open. And look, there's the picture I just took. And voila. And then you can click submit. So there you go. If you don't want to do the draw it on here, do it on paper, take a picture, post it. Okay.